The BUBLUE D10P Pool Cleaner boasts a powerful suction system with its 150-watt 3-axis motor and dual suction ports, ensuring efficient removal of sand and debris for a pristine pool. Its versatile 4-in-1 cleaning system and ability to climb walls make it a master of pool maintenance, providing thorough cleaning for any type of pool up to 1,076 square feet. With smart app control, users can easily monitor, schedule, and customize cleaning sessions, offering a tailored and convenient pool cleaning experience. The pool cleaner's dual 3-liter filter baskets and ultra-fine filtration system capture even the smallest particles, ensuring a clean and clear pool environment. Designed with a corded power source and TangleEase Technology, the BUBLUE D10P allows for uninterrupted cleaning without the hassle of battery limits or cord tangling. Constructed with UV-resistant materials and backed by a 2-year warranty, this durable pool cleaner is built to withstand the test of time.